Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing everything. Back up the town scene and enable developer mode so you can revert if needed. Next, import the mesh file and its textures into the asset folder. Make sure scale and pivot match the town grid so placement is predictable. Once imported, assign a basic material so you can see the model in the viewport and set its transform origin. These first steps prevent placement errors later and get you ready to configure collisions and visuals. Once the mesh is visible, you configure visual and physical properties. Apply materials, verify UV seams, and tweak tiling to avoid texture stretching. Then create simple collision geometry or enable the mesh collider if precision is fine. This ensures NPCs and players interact correctly. Make sure to generate lightmap UVs and set LODs plus cull distances to keep frame rate steady in dense town areas. As you work, test interactions in the editor, and now place the mesh into the town. Snap it to the grid, align with roads and props, then run a playtest to confirm occlusion and physics behave as expected. Once satisfied, bake lighting if applicable, save the scene, and export or package the update. If the mesh is invisible or looks wrong, inspect normals, missing texture references, scale, and console error messages. Re-import or fix material links and retry. This final pass closes the loop and prevents regressions in the live environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.